Saturday morning, and this is Julie's garden again. This is Saturday the 7th of September. Look, there's a rose. It's quite cool now, but there's a rose which is still in perfect condition. There's a rosebud next to it. There are more roses over here in the distance. How about that? And there's a starling. I think it's a starling on the chimney pot next door. Can you hear it? It's singing. How about that? There's that starling again. Can't resist filming the starling. I hope you can hear him. He's very quiet because it's a long way away. This is super zoom. Still on super zoom. Roses in the distance. Look at that. And I'm swinging round some of the hydrangeas. Look at that. Right in the distance, there's a gull on a lamppost. This is quite a long way away. You'll see when I zoom out. See that? Okay. These are the hydrangeas near the front door. Look at them. Aren't they great? That's the iron post in the ground. Stuck into the ground. Let's get the iron post out of the way. How about that? Just zoom up to the yellow flowers. Still don't know what they're called. And above them are the hydrangeas by the gate. I think we're out of focus. Let's see if we can focus in. Let's swing across to the other hydrangeas and the yellow roses. Look at that. And a little bit further, here are the penstemons. Starling has moved. I think it's here now. Come on, sing. It was singing a moment ago. Ah well. There he is. There he is. Another long distance zoom shot. This is 56 times zoom. In case you're wondering, I'm going to zoom back out.